Hi everybody, this is my Jeep with another update. Sorry about the time between posting videos, but I've had some delays due to medical issues again. I finally got to checking Backlash today, something I've been wanting to do for the last several weeks. I checked Backlash at about 6 different locations and averaged about 14 thousandths. I need 5 to 8 thousandths. Good afternoon. This is a My Jeep update finally for Thursday, October 20th, 2022. And I haven't posted in quite a while due to medical problems. I hate to keep using that excuse, but I've had some major issues. Anyway, let's get into what I'm just messing around with today that I've been delayed doing for quite some time. There's not much to it. But anyway, Backlash. I finally got to check Backlash. And I'm definitely out of specs. I've checked it about a half a dozen times. And it's showing about average at about 14 thousandths. And one place it showed 15 thousandths, one place it showed a little over 13. Anyway, I'm gonna call it 14 thousandths, so I need about more than half of that I got to get rid of. So, and I'm looking for 6 to 8 thousandths. Anyway, this is what my plan is when I do get to it. Let's see here. Okay, if I get this. Okay, up here, let me get up a little closer. On the right hand side, on the right side, I've got the original factory shim, and it's approximately 160 thousandths, I believe. Okay, I'm not real good on these numbers. All right, and that's the original factory shim. On the left side, I used the new shim that came with the Yukon rebuild kit, and I've got approximately 150 thousandths shim stack. And what my plan is to swap them out. Put the new stack over here. There we go. Over here. And the old factory one over here. Okay, and I may have to add about 8 thousandths to that new stack on the ring gear, because I need to move this ring gear this way, if I understand things right, because I got to tighten it up. We'll see, but anyway, I'm going to work on that, and let me see if I can show you the Backlash, what I'm getting. This is the last place. Okay, you can see that right there. I believe that's about 13 thousandths, maybe a little over. And I'm getting basically the same reading in about 6 different spots. I did that because my inexperience on doing this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So I'm figured I got about 14 thousandths. So I'm going to work on swapping these shims out, and then adding about 800 to 1,000 to this ring gear side, the left side, to see if that's good, and then check my Backlash and see what I get, and then I'll go from there. I'm probably not going to do that today because I'm still recovering from some problems that I've had, and I don't want to make things worse. I'm starting to recover, and I want to get back on this. So anyway, I'm going to put this away, and I'll be ready in the next hopefully over the weekend to do this, and I'll update you then. Sorry for the delays, and it's about 2:30 in the afternoon, and that's my Jeep out for now. Thank you.